Welcome on UBP TV. The month of September was characterized by the strength of the US dollar against all currencies, but especially against the euro. In fact, market participants realized during the month of September that growth in the Eurozone will remain weak for quite a while, and that deflation was still a threat. That's why everyone expects the ECB to come with bold actions, and notably a private quantitative easing, but maybe also quantitative easing with government bonds. The velocity of the appreciation of the US dollar in September acted as a drain on liquidity, global liquidity. And that is why volatility is rising and risky assets are under pressure. That volatility could remain for a few weeks, but we expect the rise of the US dollar to slow down, even if it will continue, and that will be good for risky assets, and that is why we remain convinced that equities remain the asset class to be invested in. In September, less liquid assets like commodities, high yield, and emerging local currencies suffered quite a lot. But surprisingly, the emerging external debt was quite resilient. That's why we expect some weakness is still to come, and we recommend to take profit on that asset class. We recommend to take profit as well on corporate bonds where spreads are still very tight, and to reinvest the proceeds of these two sales into US government bonds, where we think that the expected return is similar to the two previous asset classes with a much lower risk. And currently, in the current environment, duration risk is pretty low. And finally, volatility could also come from geopolitical events. Currently, the Middle East is a real concern. The situation is not at all improving, and we will monitor the situation closely, especially for its impact on oil supply and oil prices. So in a nutshell, for October, we recommend to take profits on emerging external debt and corporate bonds. We expect some more volatility in October, and equities remain the favored asset class. Thank you very much.